Alright, so in this FL Studio video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a beat really, really fast. For those who have problems making beats, beginners, even people that know how to make beats hella dope and just want inspiration. Alright, here we go. Okay, so I'm moving this over. Sometimes you gotta move it over. Turn off the metronome. Put on your clap. Sometimes basic beats are the ones that win. Put a kick in here. Throw a hi-hat in here. Okay, so a few things we can do with this melody. First, put it on its own channel. Maybe throw some sauce on it. Maybe some chorus. Maybe some reverb. Maybe throw a little bit of EQ on there. Maybe take some of the chorus down. Maybe throw halftime on there. See what happens. Okay, so look, I'm gonna make that the bass line. So I'm gonna clone it, clone the actual line, make this one third now. Go through some of the same steps to add a little bit of sauce on it. Nothing special at all. Fast. Just to get a groove going, sometimes you just gotta get the move, the moment, and the, what is it called? The mood going. So this is our bass. So for the bass track, I'm gonna take even more EQ out of the high end. You can't tell me that someone can't go over this. A lot of times artists like beats that don't really have that much going on, so they can do what they do. And then by now, you both can come together, add things, take out things, and make history. A lot of the new music, a lot of music that comes out of the areas where you wouldn't think it would, comes from very, very basic production. It's kind of like people are just hungry. They want to get it out there. So, not saying this is it, but just giving you assurance that you're going in the right direction. Just keep putting it out. Now, there's a bunch of stuff that I could do this. There's a bunch of things that I could say. I could mess with the hi-hat some more. There's so much. There's perks you can add to this. You can add another hat on here on like the 8th, just to keep it kind of like a different tempo. Then of course you can add an 808 that's in tune. There it goes right there. You can find it, and sometimes you can, let's see. Down. Go up a There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do, but this is how just to get a groove going fast. Hope this helped. Comment what other type of videos you want me to do, what other type of help you might need, and I got you. Also in the link, there's like free packs you can get. There's courses, all kind of stuff. There's little specials I got going on. We don't really stop innovating and helping, so if producing is something that you want to do, man, I think all producers are smart. It makes you intelligent. It makes you smart. You know, teaching kids how to do it.